Hello, hello, hello. I want to talk a little bit more about abundance. In the nature, there is so much abundance. During winter time, there is all these crystals in the snow and in the frost. And during night, there's this beautiful stars if there's no clouds. Now the earth is waking up, and you can eat some of the things. I just talked to a customer, a client. He was so happy because he have invested in herbal medicine. And this is the thing, there are abundance of customers. Maybe you have a knowledge that someone is waiting with exactly the gift you have. Do you know something special about herbs? Do you know something special about how our bodies are functioning? Do you have some music that can makes people happy or relaxed or whatever? What is it you can offer? Start to offer what you have. Start offering your gifts.